In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. There are many ways to do a slip knot, but I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I start with the yarn. I put some in my left, some in my right, well, right, left. And I drop about maybe 6 to 8 inches, and then I make a loop with my left hand. I just make the loop, cross it over, pinch it with my thumb, and then I take the remainder of the yarn and stick it through the loop I made and pull it up. And then I'll add the crochet hook in the loop and just adjust it. And then I would start my chains, my stitches, like that. Okay, all right, let me demonstrate that again. So start with your yarn. I just put some in each hand. Here's the beginning of the yarn, and I grab about 6 to 8 inches. Come up here, make a loop, cross it over. You'll see the cross right there where they cross over, and I pinch it. Then I take my working yarn, and the working yarn is the yarn that comes out of your skein of yarn, because that's what you'll use to make your project. Take the working yarn and loop it through and pull it up, tighten, and I put the crochet hook inside that loop, and then I just start the chains like that. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. So I just start with the yarn, about 6 to 8 inches. This will be my tail. I drop the tail and then pinch it right here, and I make a loop, and the loop crosses over. It crosses over right there, pinch it, and then bring it around to loop. Push the loop through that loop and pull it up, and that's a slip stitch. And again, after this, I'll just stick my crochet hook inside, tighten it up a little bit, and start crocheting. Okay,